Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, sir. How are you today? I hope you will be fine. Before I take video about explain, before I take video about leisurely ethnicity, minorities and majorities, let me introduce myself. My full name is Nova Bebiani. I am a semester 3 student of English Education Program of Asanta Islamic Higher Education Institution. Now I will take video. Check it out. First, largely ethnic minorities settle together in some part of the city so that they can help and support each other with any problem. If it is Chinatown, Arabic town, or part where many Indonesians live together. Sometimes, when the settlements are settled by the Assyrians, until there are a few equally fast immigrants who do not feel Peru are learning the language and culture of the majority of the people in the West. Because all their speed is well on the side of the population needs. Socializing, occupation, and language. Long story short, they prefer to live with communalists or partnership they bring from their homestead, that is the states of Asia or Arabia. Why should that solution be supported? The individual is a rational actor. They make decisions based on the inherent value and benefit of himself and others. Their decision to live together with the majority in a certain area is one they choose to make easier the process of adaptation to certain custom. Immigrant freely determined his right to consume their happiness, as well as the right to life, freedom, and to choose between homes. Immigrant was convinced that by owning them at the majority of their mommies to make access to significant life. They also believe that living in the group enjoyed far be more than the few more years of experience and learning. Immigrant conducted life in groups along with the majority in order to protect or advance the interests of the minority that had lost his right to avoid discrimination by the local group. Those who choose to live with this is immigrants who voluntarily make the decision. They don't think of what new thing they might get if they at home with the Putin majority. The immigrant has also thought about the impact it would have if they were to remain in the minority. They will probably accept discrimination and lose their right. They make decisions against their own interests, even though they seem to be volunteering and getting to know them. They thought that the best way to avoid that would be to move in with the majority of his tribe. Not to mention putting a leader in complete control of his clan so that they could live in peace with the mayonnaise with the same view. Moreover, as the talk well enough, the majority concept that is foothold of democracy retain a potential for tyranny on that he calls the majority. That in some cases, a majority could be arbitrarily legalized by a minority. Sitting out from the context of racism in the United States, the Tocqueville found a reality that even a law could lose its authority if it did not get the majority support. Cynically, the Tocqueville that quip, then the majority claims the right not only of making the laws, but of breaking the laws it has made. So the majority of the group demand not only the right to make rules, but also the right to break the rules of their own making. There is fundamental condition in which a person or minority group is not accepted into existence by the dominant social environment surrounding it. There is not much to take away, calling the law. Frequently, begging force will tend to favor the will of the majority by reason of maintaining social stability. So they would rather gather together in one ethnic group without any cultural difference. Solution number 2. But there are also a few minority that prefer to stay close to their fellow settler in special settlement, but rather stay in mix with the local white-skinned majority of the city and adapt to the local culture of put-skin in to gain access to the local white-skinned community. Why does this solution have to be sport? I always consider the majority-minority dichotomy a matter of equal access, not number. The understanding of the majority of those who see the major as a marketed measure of the majority-minority ultimately leads only to the pursuit moral legitimacy that has played a major part in the late time discrimination and tyranny of the majority. Cases of intolerance often occur because of the thought of the majority perspective right the majority. How do you respond to this situation? Tolerance will always be the discourse of the majority of whom have the privilege of tolerating. In addition to the repeat discourse of tolerance as apologetic, the majority trainee, or if you want to be called an intolerance, can flourish because of the lack of law enforcement. Individual makes deliberate decisions on the basis of their desire to learn a new culture by gathering together white local communities. The principle is one of those principles that cannot be considered criminalized and cannot be legally prosecuted. A criminal decision is made when their principle is fine, if said. As discrimination from in residential life, it can be overcome by equalizing cultural adaptation and adjusting lives to the surroundings. Those who choose to stay as minority believe that the majority were able to make good allies with them regardless of culture, race, and religion, which meet global tolerance. The concept of meaning living together with the which is equal will not to be able to expand and acquire new knowledge. So they will be trapped in a undeveloped state and still stand there. Beyond that, people also remain above the pursuit concept, for in the circumstance of the majority, it is even more likely that leading to its kind will rule in compliance with an intolerant attitude. It's not possible that those who make the rules will also break their own rules. The developer of the prevalent of bullying attitude toward the minority, the local communities will greatly profit from the new cultural learning coming from the minority. They do the same to promote community interest, to exchange opinions, tolerance attitude among peoples, culture, tribes, race, and religion. To avoid enduring treatment is a wrong decision, however, which justifies the tradition. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.